We proceed when we believe ethically we have the sufficient evidence, but I will not forego my ethical obligations in order to gain political support.
San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins is looking to dismiss charges against a San Francisco police officer who shot an assault suspect back in 2019. The officer shot Jamaica Hampton in the Mission District and was charged by former DA Chesa Boudin. KTVU's Evan Cernovsky live tonight in the newsroom with the very latest developments in this case. Evan.
Yeah, Mike, I sat down with the DA today. She said there just wasn't enough evidence to take this case to trial. She also accused her predecessor, Chesa Boudin, of filing the case for political purposes.
If we don't have the proof to prove someone's guilt, we shouldn't be proceeding on a case.
San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins on Thursday filed a motion to dismiss charges against SFPD officer Christopher Flores. Flores was charged with a number of felonies for the December 2019 shooting of assault suspect Jamaica Hampton, who had attacked Flores and his partner.
There were two witnesses who indicated facts that were consistent with Officer Flores having acted in self-defense, and those witness statements were not presented to the grand jury.
Jenkins said her predecessor, Chesa Boudin, failed to present exculpatory evidence during the grand jury proceeding for Flores.
I was handed, when I took over, what I believed were multiple politically based and politically motivated prosecutions against police officers.
Doctors amputated Hampton's leg after the shooting, and Boudin dismissed charges against him after he went to mental health diversion. Jenkins said Boudin offered Flores a deal with almost no consequences as well, which he refused.
The previous administration was willing and ready to agree to a dismissal in this case.
Nevertheless, Jenkins' critics say she's too lenient on police. Earlier this year, her office moved to dismiss charges against an officer who fatally shot Kieta O'Neill in the Bayview in 2017.
This is just the latest chapter in what has turned out to be a sad, sad book of criminal injustice, if you will, in the city of San Francisco for victims of police abuse.
Civil rights attorney Adante Pointer is representing Hampton in a federal civil case against the city. He said Hampton will never fully recover from his injuries.
So he sustained serious lifelong injuries, and he got those injuries because a San Francisco police officer refused to have any sort of restraint in their use of deadly force.
Now, Mike, Christina, a judge is expected to rule next week on whether to dismiss the charges against Officer Flores. We reached out to the officer's attorney for comment, but didn't hear back. Reporting live in the newsroom, Evan Cernovsky, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
All right, a case we'll continue to follow next week. Evan, thank you.